Today I'm going to be checking out this X-Pac 2 little mini foldable drone. I was sent this at no cost, so I can do this review. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so this is what's going to come in the package. I pulled everything out. This drone was actually folded up and put inside the remote here, but I pulled it out so you could see it. Comes with the manual, comes with some tools. You need the screwdriver here to put the batteries in the back of the remote. This is going to help you change these little props, these little propellers. The blue goes on blue, black goes on black because they are angled differently. These are little mounts here so you can hold your cell phone on the top of this. There's a place right here to snap it in. And what that does is that allows you to see the camera that's in this unit when it's flying around. And these are the mounts to put that on. And then this is the charger for this little device. This little drone, you plug it in right back there in the back and you let it charge up. This little thing right here is the antenna so that, it stays within range and it gets a signal. This folds up like this and actually stores inside the remote. So, you can keep this all packaged really well and small, carry it around with you. Definitely recommend reading the manual if you've never played with a drone before. It's not hard, but it is something that you need to understand what it's doing. This one can do tricks like flips and all that kind of stuff, but read the manual. It's going to go over everything you need to do to get this all set up. All right, so I'm going to charge this up. We're going to start playing with it. All right, so this camera that's on the drone down there runs off of the app that you download on your phone and you put in this little phone bracket. So I've got the wireless and everything set up. Just follow the instructions. It was very simple to do. And now it's actually showing that direction of what's, that way of our driveway. That's a neighbor's house and it's showing pretty good. So once I start flying, it's going to give me a real-time view of what it's seeing as it's flying. So cool little drone. Got to get used to flying a little drone. I've never flown a drone this small, but we're going to see how well this works. All right, so now what I do is you just press the up arrow on the left, and that basically tells the drone to start up. And then you can press up, or you can use the top left button to make it automatically lift off. I'm going to use the up button and try to control it and see how well I do. And you can see forward, left, right. I'm going to make it come down some so we can get a little better view because kind of off. And there is trim on this, so if you want to take the time to do all the trim you need to do and get this flying a little more stable, but it's going to take some time to get used to a drone this size. We're outside and it doesn't take a lot of wind to affect it. And that's it, basically. It's got a lot of features. And honestly, in the app, it's got even more cool little features you can do with it. But, this is my first time flying a little drone like this. I definitely recommend, now that I'm outside in a little bit of a wind, to practice better inside. But we have a lot of stuff inside that this could get tangled up in right now with it being Christmas time. So I wanted to do it in the driveway. But very cool. It rotates any way you want. I'm checking out video of the neighborhood from just this little spot. Neat little drone. So now I'm going to go ahead and land it. Yeah, it's a full-featured little drone. You just got to get used to its size, and neat little drone. That's why it's 14 plus though too. So this isn't meant for 6-year-olds. This is going to need to be somebody that's a young teenager or older. I definitely think it's cool. Be a great present for kids or teenagers really. And even adults. I'm probably going to play around with this in the house when we have less things around to break. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.